Hey, you guys, a lot has been going on in the trading world over the past week, from NinjaTrader rebranding, redoing their entire platform, offering now mobile capabilities to trade, as well as something that you're probably here for. The main thing that I want to talk about is how Apex Trader Funding now offers the ability for those of you on Macs and iPhones, mobile traders, the ability to get prop trader funding, and not have to be stuck at a PC. Now, for those of you that love trading on a PC, of course, that's not going to change anything. If you're an algorithmic trader, a lot of those same algorithms that you've been trading on, with the Rhythmic data feeds and Apex accounts, those are all going to stay the same. But let's kind of do a quick brief overview. I want to pack as much information into this video as I can within a few minutes, and hopefully help you out and help you understand what's going on. So first things first, like I said, NinjaTrader recently rebranded their entire trading platform. They have changed the color schemes. They've changed a bunch of different stuff. Their online account platform and all that good stuff is completely different. They now have a mobile app for your mobile phone as well. And so this kind of sparked a change with Apex Trader Funding. So one of the things you're going to see is if you do go to Apex, you're going to go to the regular homepage, and you will scroll down and you will see the regular Rhythmic NinjaTrader plans. Now, this is all of the same account information and details that were there previously, that you could, sign in, get your login, sign up for an account. You can use the 80% off coupon, which there is an 80% off coupon. It depends on the sale. It's at a minimum of 50% off right now, but sometimes these flash sales occur, and the code is down below. There's a link as well. My code is Young Money, all capitals, YOUNGMONEY. So if you want to use that at checkout, that right now will give you 80% off the current eval account, as well as a 80% off if that account isn't passed and you need to try again the following month. So it's kind of a really good sale going on right now. But where it gets different is they have added now the Select Your Tradeovate NinjaTrader plan, and it is the same exact style, format, layout, and everything. They are slightly more expensive, and you can get to that and kind of find out a little bit more about why it is more expensive. But one of the really good things to know right now is that coupon code is good for both Tradeovate accounts as well as these accounts. Now, one of the other big differences that you probably aren't going to notice and realize that's a big deal is these use Rhythmic as the data provider. This is using a different data provider. And so one of the cool things and one of the good reasons to have a dual setup like this is because sometimes the Rhythmic data feed doesn't work as good as it should. So one of the big things, as it says with the launch here, we're proud to announce that they blah, 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 blah. We've been working with NinjaTrader Mobile and Tradeovate on this project. We worked with them immediately upon the launch of the new program. So Saul, I guess they wrote kind of some interesting stuff. They didn't write it all properly here either. But long story short, they've been working on this whole rebranding. NinjaTrader bought Tradeovate, I believe it was about a year ago. And with this acquisition, NinjaTrader and Tradeovate have been going through a merger, a branding kind of change right now. And that's why you're seeing kind of those changes. So if we scroll over here, whoops, I went to the wrong page. Let's go. Here we go. Exit full screen. I was going to click play here and talk about some of the common questions that people have. Some of the common questions are, can I access my Rhythmic accounts with this new update? I'm going to let you pause this. That way I can kind of get through this. You can read through some of these questions and I don't have to go through and talk. You can just pause, read. We'll go back here. Then common questions continued. Here's a few more common questions that obviously, are going to be had about this whole entire new setup and everything like that. And then I want to show you, we'll go through more questions continued. Actually, that's pretty much all the questions here. One of the things I did want to show you, so how do you access it? I think the next question is, how do you access these new Tradeovate accounts and things like that? How do I use mobile? How do I, use it on my internet browser? And I'm going to show you my access that I have currently. Now, I'm not going to show you everything on your phone. But if you want to go to the FAQ section, so one of the things you can also do to learn a little bit more, click FAQ. You'll load up this page right here. And right here, it talks about TradeAvate, brand new TradeAvate account. Why is my data feed not live? It's going to give you all the information that you need. I don't want to reiterate stuff that you can find on your own. But what I did want to show you was the ability, let's see here, that you'll have. Here we go, right here, to pull everything up. And this is on my sim account. This is not linked with my Apex accounts or anything. This is just because I have accounts with NinjaTrader, and so you have this mobile access and everything now. This is one of the ways, along with the app, that if you have an account with NinjaTrader, you can place trades. You can place trades via the online web portal. Now, this will look very similar, and it kind of sucks. I'll be honest. I don't love this layout, but everything is a tile. You can delete and erase and reconfigure this whole entire window once you get your account set up with Apex. Now, one of the other things that is really cool with this is you're also going to have the ability to trade using TradingView. I love TradingView. TradingView works really great because their mobile app is killer and their platform is really good. This will give you the ability by having the if we go over here, if you have the ability, if you sign up for the TradeAvate accounts, that will give you the ability to also trade using TradingView. Now, I don't know all the fees. I don't know, how much more that will be. I know that if I was trying to trade my account, my NinjaTrader account with TradeAvate, it was going to cost, there was some sort of like additional monthly cost. The monthly cost is more expensive. Obviously, it shows here on Apex, if you're going with, for example, a $50,000 account with Rhythmic and on NinjaTrader, it's $167 before the discount. And if you're using the TradeAvate, it's $187. So it's a little bit more expensive. I believe that those fees are kind of baked in there. But if that's the case, if that's where the costs are kind of accruing, it's really nice because then you do have this ability to trade on a platform like TradingView, as well as the ability to trade here on TradeAvate. For a lot of you guys, this is going to be kind of a game changer. It's going to be really nice because you're no longer glued to your desk. For a lot of you that have work and have firewalls and stuff and can't run, a full-on PC, this is going to be big for those of you that don't want to use a VPS like NinjaTrader Mobile, which I've been using NinjaTrader Mobile and I love it. And I have to use that with my algorithms. But for those of you that don't have algorithms, that don't need that massive platform, this is going to be a game changer. I'm curious to see what you guys think, what some of your thoughts are, what you're planning on doing. If you have any other questions, let me know. Comment them down below. And hopefully this video was something new, something exciting, and something that you are going to ideally use in the future. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.